South Africa was left reeling on the night of the 26th of October 2014, when national football hero Senzo Meyiwa was shot dead in Vosloorus at just 27 years old. Senzo was not only the captain of Bafana Bafana but also the fearless goalkeeper of Orlando Pirates. His death was more than a tragedy, it was a national shockwave. The official story claimed it was a robbery gone wrong, but from the very beginning, the details didn't add up. Senzo was at the home of his then-girlfriend, singer Kelly Khumalo, along with her sister Zandi, Zandi's boyfriend Long Wutwala, Kelly's mother, and 2 of Senzo's friends. That means 7 people were inside the house when the fatal shot was fired. Yet, despite so many witnesses, the accounts of what happened were inconsistent. Some claimed intruders stormed in, demanding cell phones. Others suggested the shooting was deliberate. The contradictions left the public suspicious, and whispers of a cover-up began to spread. The investigation quickly became messy. Evidence seemed to vanish, timelines shifted, and suspects were arrested only to be released. For years, the case dragged on with no clear answers. Then, 5 men were eventually charged. Muzi Sibia, Bongani Ntanzi Methobisi Princeman Cube, Fisokulin Ntuli, and Zakalembath. The state alleged they were hired hitmen, but the defense argued their confessions were forced under torture. This raised a chilling question: were the real killers even in the dock? The trial at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria has been nothing short of dramatic. Courtroom proceedings have been filled with delays, heated exchanges, and shocking revelations. Witnesses contradicted each other. Lawyers accused the police of misconduct, and suspects claimed they were beaten into confessing. At times the trial felt less like a pursuit of justice and more like a thriller, where the truth was always just out of reach. Meanwhile, Senzo's family has endured years of heartbreak. His father, Senzo Meyiwa, passed away before seeing justice served, leaving behind a legacy of pain and unanswered questions. His mother continues to fight for the truth, while fans across the nation demand closure. For many South Africans, the case has become a symbol of the cracks in the justice system, a reminder of how easily truth can be buried beneath bureaucracy, corruption, and fear. Beyond the courtroom, the case has dominated headlines and sparked fierce debates. Was Senzo's death truly a robbery gone wrong, or was it a carefully planned assassination? Why has it taken more than a decade to reach any conclusion? And most importantly, who is protecting the truth? These questions continue to haunt the nation, as each new twist in the trial adds more confusion than clarity. Senzo's murder also exposed the darker side of fame and relationships. His connection to Kelly Khumalo has been scrutinized endlessly, with the public demanding answers about her role and knowledge of that night. Kelly herself has faced relentless media attention, accusations, and public backlash, yet she maintains her innocence. The tension between her celebrity status and the tragedy has only fueled speculation, making the case one of the most talked about in South African history. Today, more than 11 years later, Senzo Meyiwa's murder remains unsolved. His family still waits for justice, his fans still mourn, and the nation still wonders how a hero could be taken so violently, with no accountability. Senzo's legacy as a fearless goalkeeper lives on in the hearts of South Africans, but the mystery of his death has become a painful reminder of the flaws in the country's justice system. And so, the story ends not with closure, but with a chilling cliffhanger. The truth about Senzo Meyiwa's murder may be closer than we think, but will it ever be revealed?